How to add a passkey to your Google account. In this video, I'll show you how to add a passkey to your Google account. A passkey provides a faster and more secure way to sign in using your device's screen lock, fingerprint, or face recognition instead of a password. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. Next, go to the Security tab and tap Passkeys. If prompted, verify your identity by entering your password. Tap Create a Passkey. Then follow the on-screen instructions to use your device's fingerprint, face recognition, or screen lock to create the passkey. Once the setup is complete, your passkey will be added to your Google account and can be used for future sign-ins on supported devices. That's it! You've successfully added a passkey to your Google account for a faster and more secure sign-in experience. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.